Hey friends, if you encounter the error system error 5 has occurred, access is denied, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So we need to understand that this issue occurs under two conditions. The first one is that the admin privileges have been denied either to Windows PowerShell or command prompt or to a certain application. In all these cases, we can try opening them as an administrator. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, right click on it and select run as administrator and give it administrator permissions. Now when you give it administrator permissions, it will mention administrator behind command prompt and then you will be able to run it. The next one is PowerShell. So search for PowerShell, right click on it, run as administrator, and again it will be mentioning administrator behind Windows PowerShell. The next one is any application. Let's say I have this one, LibreOffice Writer. Right click on it, run as administrator, and then you will be able to launch it as an administrator. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.